Hello guys, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorial, and on today we'll be talking about Catizen. And Catizen is a card theme game that integrates GameFi, AI and the Metaverse, and could result into a highly immersive and interactive experience like blending Telegram mining and getting to earn tokens from them. And they are currently on the Ton blockchain, and it's amazing that a lot of utilities given to the Catizen token, right, where you could even stake and earn and all of that. But today we'll be looking at how to get started on the Catizen. All you need to do is you need to get the link to get started here, and I get my link from my notepad and I start up the bot. Yeah, it takes me to my Telegram application. As always, get to download your Telegram application from App Store or Google Play Store. And you could see what can this bot do. You're welcome, Catizen, unleash, play, earn, where every game leads to an airdrop adventure, and this would get you to earn their tokens and get to be poised for their airdrop event. I click on start to use the bot and I play for airdrop, or you could click on play the game or play for airdrop. Now it's a bot, it takes you to their on in-game experience and it keeps loading. All right, and it's quite easy. All you need to do is just you start off and you click on the card here and you click on another card here and you merge the two cards together. You could see you've gotten an upgrade.
مرحبا.
And you keep clicking, you click on cards to view the whole board. And the whole seats, there are no seats left, and customers comes in to see the cards, and each time they come in and leave, you earn the cards tokens, right?
Thanks.
You keep on swiping and merging. Very easy. It's more like a merge to earn, right? Very easy to use. Keep on swiping, merge the cards together.
Bonsoir.
You could keep on upgrading by merging higher cards to themselves, and you get to unlock a new card, right?
Comment vas-tu?
Merci.
This is the level 3 card. This is the level 4 card. I'm upgraded to the level 4
Shukran.
card. And all I need to do is keep clicking on
Comment vas-tu?
the
Thanks.
cards button to get more cards to get upgraded, and do watch
Comment
out
vas-tu?
for all these
Notepad.
new animals on the screen. I click on the dock right
مرحبا.
there. Give you an airdrop bonus, a super box, right? And you could claim it for free, or claim it using Ton, or claim it using fish token, right? But claim it for free, right? And you get to see airdrops falling out, like you get to unlock cards.
Shukran.
Using your card button to gain more cards. So it's pretty easy. Keep merging, and keep earning.
Hey.
You could earn and get to the level 5. You keep on.
Comment
Merged from
vas-tu?
level 4 to level 5. This is an upgrade. Keep merging. Very
Merci.
game and very easy to understand and use.
Comment vas-tu? Beaucoup.
So there are other facts where you could get to earn. There's a shop where you could
Comment
buy
vas-tu?
more Catizen power,
Merci beaucoup.
Catizen coin, or
Bonsoir.
the fish coin, and it costs
Shukran.
Bonsoir.
$1. That's a cent. Right, and you have the feed where you
Shukran.
feed your cat.
Thanks.
It's very important to feed your cat. Then you have the invite.
Bonsoir.
It's not unlocked for you yet because we just started. We're in the bronze level.
Comment
In the
vas-tu?
bronze league, you have to get to 110 to get into the silver league. Pretty amazing game. You join the
Merci
Discord.
beaucoup.
And fun fact, Catizen just had a partnership with Notcoin, and their Catizen is ranked in first place on Africa board of the Sword ecosystem open league games, right? And it's amazing that you get early into the Catizen Telegram mining. Very pretty easy to use. Keep connecting.
مرحبا.
Keep merging.
Merci.
Claim. Let's say you want to claim a seed, you have to connect your Telegram, open your wallet in Telegram, connect it, or you use
Bonsoir.
Keeper or
Shukran.
wallet or One Hub wallet to claim most of it.
Bonsoir.
And you could use your fish token. Right? You want to get more fish tokens.
Thanks.
Buy it with real money, that's real cryptocurrency or dollar, right? And yeah, with each customer coming in, you see a
مرحبا.
card.
شكرا.
And more video cards for free. There are no seats left.
شكراً.
So keep on merging. Video card for free. I think the
شكراً.
airdrop is still coming. You need to get your seats all cleared out. And I could get merged up to level 6. You can see these are level 6 cards. Keep filling the cards.
أهلا.
You're good to go. There's a fishing pool here where you get to fish, but you haven't gotten enough fish token yet for you to be able to participate in that. And there's a quest tab. There's a quest tab over there.
Comment vas-tu?
There's a quest tab to launch this web app. You need to connect to this website,
أهلا.
and you connect to the website to perform certain quests. Right? It launches an app, and now these are certain tasks you use to earn fish token. Right? As you're a Catizen user, you click on go. It automatically gives you 5 fish token. You join their news channel on Telegram. Pretty easy. You just click on join, and you get 120 fish token. Right? You follow them on Twitter. Your daily check-in is very important. Very important. But your daily check-in, you need to connect to your Telegram wallet or a Thorn wallet, right? Because it uses about $0.0001 worth of Thorn to daily check you in. So it's not much of gas fee, and you continue doing your tasks in here. Pretty easy. There are daily tasks you could partake in. There are daily tasks you could partake in. Then your achievement too, and you earn more fish token. So Catizen is really a new thing on the Thorn ecosystem. You know, they have just been here for 2 months, and they have amassed 6 million Catizens in their Metaverse. That's 6 million users are currently on this. You could join in on the fun and join in on earning from Catizen, right? Very pretty amazing basic tags. And you know, Thorn ecosystem has gained a lot of attention this week, and they are really excited to push forward, and they may be launching quite soon. So do how to get poised and start doing this thing. Start merging your cards. Start participating in Telegram mining. It is very lucrative, and you earn more rewards for free. All right, thank you for watching today's tutorial video. Do want to like and subscribe to this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, the SMC Tutor channel, and tap on the bell button for notifications so that you get to know every new videos that we release out there. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.